Above the rooftops of Erfurt's old city center towers Petersberg Hill, tradition and history, coming alive at the Bundesgartenschau, the National Garden Show in 2021. Within 12 seconds, an accessible elevator takes visitors up to the fortress. Alternatively, there's a panoramic path leading from Domplatz uphill to the new area. Steeped in legend, the history of the Petersberg will be displayed at the former commandant's house. Modern and multimedia, the former Benedictine monastery, the Peter's Church and the impressive citadel. The upper plateau will be redesigned. Water features, scented gardens and playgrounds, gastronomy, historical gardens of different areas, lush beds of annuals, new meeting places, more blossoming, more verdant. And right in the center, the venerable Peter's Church. The largest Romanesque building in Thuringia will be partly restored for the upcoming BUGA in 2021. A contemporary exhibition invites you to discover gardens of Thuringian residences in but also outside of Erfurt. Once a rampart, in 2021 a colorful sea of flowers. One of the highlights, the moat. Coming down on slides, passing English beans, cauliflowers, woad. Well-known and long-forgotten vegetable and flower classics. The history of the city of flowers and the horticultural traditions of Erfurt in full splendor. Strolling through history and a sublime view. The Petersberg in Erfurt. Ancient and mesmerizing, presenting itself in new glory and full bloom at the Bundesgartenschau 2021, the National Garden Show in Erfurt.